the Prime Minister who's already begun with his dhyan that is underway, but ahead of the results that would be announced on the 4th of June. The Prime Minister has begun with his meditation, and that is likely to end on the 1st of June, the day when polling takes place in his constituency of Varanasi as well. Let me go across to Varshini now. Varshini, any movement that can be seen as far as the Prime Minister's spiritual trip is concerned? We saw him landing in Kanyakumari, thereafter seeking blessings, and then his 45-hour-long dhyan that began.
He entered into the Vivekananda Mandap, and we saw how he initially went to the Bhagwati Amman temple, and then he took a darshan, and then followed by his entry into the Vivekananda Rock Memorial. And as of now, the Prime Minister is still at the Vivekananda Rock Memorial, and the Prime Minister is continuing his spiritual journey that he wanted to take in the first place when he arrived at Kanyakumari yesterday. And what also we can see is that the Prime Minister will be taking up this until June 1st is what one can understand from the given scenario. And apart from that, the Prime Minister is going to be spending the entire time throughout his stay at Kanyakumari at the Vivekananda Rock Memorial only. And now we are seeing that the people are even permitted to take boats and move around the Vivekananda Memorial. Yesterday evening, when the Prime Minister had come, we had seen that it was completely, prohibited for people to enter into this premises. It was all closed. But now the police are letting public with extreme care. They are frisking them completely. They are taking their bags and locking it all up. They just don't want to disappoint the tourists. So therefore, they are allowing the tourists to take the boat and go around the boat to an extent. Therefore, the police have come up with additional security measures to ensure that the town of Kanyakumari is, it's in its usual. It does not change or alter just because the Prime Minister is there in the Vivekananda Rock Memorial meditating. Therefore, this morning in Kanyakumari, we are able to see tourists going on as per their itinerary. There is no changes. The Prime Minister is also at the Rock Memorial. We are not able to see any movement. The police and the officials and the security guards are the ones who are, ensuring that everything is as per normal. The people, the tourists, everything is as per normal, because we've been seeing for the past few days how the opposition parties have been constantly speaking about how the tourists are going to be, put under inconvenience, and how they will not be able to continue with their tour plans just because the Prime Minister wants to stage a drama. But right now, all we can see is Kanyakumari is just as it is. There is no change except for additional security. And what we can understand is that for the few hours in the morning, for a couple of hours, the public are going to be allowed inside the waters with extreme care and security put in place.